This is what I love about this lifestyle. Last night at about 10 o'clock at night, I'm here in Sorrento, Florida at Wekiva Falls. I'm in my RV, my Airstream Airbus. I said, you know what? I'm gonna go skiing. This morning at 5 a.m. I'm jumping a flight to Dallas. Then I'm jump seating from Dallas up to Calgary. Then I'm gonna go over to Alberta, Canada. Oh, where is it? Oh, Banff. I've never been there before. And I'm staying at a ski lodge right up on the mountain. The only ski out there at Banff. And it's gonna be a spectacular 2 full days of skiing, 4 days total. Might even go up and see Lake Louise. Wish me luck. I better hurry or I'm gonna miss my flight. Well, I made it to Calgary. I left the RV this morning at about 2:45 a.m. and flew into Dallas. And then from Dallas here, I'm about to go through customs, get my rental car, and head on out. Be up at Banff about an hour and a half, 2 hours later. Check out the scene, get my ski rentals, get any supplies, and then head up to the hotel. Should be fun. Wish me luck. Well, I made it to Calgary. Now I'm in my rental car, heading, just started entering the Canadian Rockies, heading to Banff. I'll be in Banff in less than 30 minutes. These views are just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I've seen mountains and snow and all that before, but something a little special about the Canadian Rockies. I made it to Banff. I'm just gonna get a little quick bite to eat and then head over to the base lodge and go get my room. Cute little town though, really cute. Alright, I just got into the green cab, she said. Now I'm heading up to the lodge. Really nice people here. We're in Banff at Sunshine Village, and we're going up to the resort. So it's a 20-minute ride up to the resort. This gondola closes at 5:30. I was told 5, but it's actually 5:30. If you miss the gondola, you don't get back to your hotel. As you can see, just beautiful views. So real convenient here at the lodge. I literally walk out of my room right here, get in this elevator. I go down one floor into the locker room, grab my skis and equipment, put it on right there, put the stuff like my shoes in there, and then I walk out and the lift's 25 feet away. This is skiing, man. This is like luxury skiing. Just measuring me up and I'll be out on the slopes here shortly. All right, that literally took me 5 minutes to get my boots on, skis. My room is right there. Walk out these main doors and then you're right here at the lifts. So they haven't started letting people go up yet, but I'll be there right on time. So I'm gonna get a cup of coffee here at Old Trappers, which is the original ski lodge. They've turned it into a bar, restaurant type scenario, coffee shops there. So I'm gonna go have a cup of coffee, sit outside and wait for the slopes to open. This is skiing at its finest. And then right here is the jacuzzi, by the way. I actually haven't gotten in that yet, but I'm gonna do that this afternoon. I'm one of the first 10 people on the mountain here. An awesome lift here. Got heated seats, got a visor that comes down in case you got super windy conditions. I'm gonna work my way up here, head over, hit Banff Avenue, and then get some of that real groomed stuff over there by Goat's Eye. Make my way back, have breakfast and some coffee, and then start working the runs off to the right here, work on my carving, and then maybe in the afternoon start trying to hit some more black diamonds. That's the plan. Look at these views though.
Thought you'd be the one for me. Won't you tell me how you feel? I shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right. Coming out to see me try. As I turn away and cry, you run up to me and take my hand. I wish you were the one who made me whole, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way. Once again I'm on the run.
It's like a winter wonderland. No, it is a winter wonderland. You know, skiing alone's not my favorite, but you usually meet up with people. There's a lot of freedom in just being by yourself, you know? A lot of people don't like to ski alone or travel alone, but let me tell you, as a pilot where I can just jump on a jump seat, it's just absolute luxury. I can pretty much go anywhere in the world and not have to worry about getting there and getting back. And if I had somebody with me, I got to worry about that all the time. So I'm going to enjoy the next few years of just solo traveling and really enjoy myself. So I left the Sunshine resort today and decided to stay an extra day. I'm heading over to Lake Louise. I could ski that, but I got to be back at the other lodge before 5 o'clock. So I just decided just to go over here and take a look at it, shoot some pictures and some video. Hey there, buddy. How you doing? Only in Canada, eh? So made it to Lake Louise. Of course, I'm getting snow all in my shoes. That's about as good as it's gonna get. I just arrived in Lake Louise, a little short walk over, and coming right up on the lake here. Should be really cool. Beautiful Lake Louise. Just hiking along the rim of it here. Really cool. You can just walk right out on the lake. Frozen solid. These are all cross-country ski trails. Really cool. Yeah, I'm glad I did this. Gotta come back with the kids.